I made the world's most functional ice cream cone. Let's dive into all the cool stuff it can do. Like many others, I want to solve real-world problems and perhaps save some money with 3D printing. And what better place to start doing that than at my work desk? I already spend a bunch of time here, so if I were able to improve my workflow in any manner using 3D printing, that would be huge. And when I'm sitting at my desk, I noticed a couple different problems that I have. Number one, I lose my pens and pencils all the time. Number two, there are so many loose things and loose items in my drawers and it's super unorganized. And lastly, number three, I don't have any cool toys or anything at my desk that I can play with when I may be falling asleep or get tired during a meeting. So I thought to myself, what if I can make one product that solves all of these different problems? Something that is functional, but also looks cool at the same time. I like the idea of functional food, which is something that I've seen other YouTubers do. And right now, it's super hot where I live. So this inspired me to create a 3D printed ice cream cone that solves all the problems that I talked about before. First thing to do was jump in my 3D modeling software and make the design. I made it so that this connector piece sits inside the cone while the top part screws into the connector. Once that was done, I then printed it out on my 3D printer. Here's what the final parts look like. The connector piece pops right into the cone and the ice cream can be screwed onto the connector like this. There's no way I'll lose my pencil because it is screwed into the connector piece itself. And when this ice cream cone is sitting at my desk, it's super easy to find. A super cool feature of this ice cream cone comes in the design of this connector piece. By simply unscrewing this guy here, you can exchange the pencil for really any writing utensil you want as long as it fits within the opening. So that's one problem solved. What about problem number two? These additional prints now hold a couple loose items in my drawer, including some rubber bands and also some loose items that I just had floating around. Organization is a check, so what about its last function? Is it a cool desk toy? Well, check this out. I think I may have made one of the first ice cream cone fidget toys. So the next time that I'm falling asleep during my Zoom class, I can stimulate my mind like the iPad kid I am with this bad boy to make sure that I'm awake. If only there was something that I could 3D print or some machine that could cool me off in this hot room. Oh wait, that exists already. I don't need to 3D print that. Well, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe and peace out.